Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping right into how to organize and manage client accounts on teamwork.com, your 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to log into teamwork.com. Once you're in, navigate to the People tab. Here's where we'll manage all our clients. The reason we start here is because it's the hub for all your client interactions. Next up, click on Add a Person. It's crucial we do this to create new client profiles. Fill in the relevant information. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of our clients and their specific needs. Now that we've done that, it's time to assign these clients to specific projects. Navigate to the Projects tab. Click on Add a Project, and then Add People. This is where you'll select the client or clients you just added. This step is important because it directly connects your clients with their respective projects, enhancing organization and communication. Once you've assigned your clients, it's time to set permissions. This is done under the Permissions tab within each project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By setting permissions, you're deciding what your clients can see and do within their project. This step is essential as it ensures the right information is shared and confidentiality is maintained. The final step is to keep everything up to date. Regularly check in on each project and client, adjusting as necessary. This is because client needs can change and projects evolve. Staying up to date ensures you're always providing the best service to your clients. And there we have it. That's your quick guide to organizing and managing client accounts on teamwork.com. Remember, the key is in the details. Carefully adding, assigning, and setting permissions for each client. And of course, staying on top of changes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.